Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding cryptocurrency on crypto.com and wondering how to turn it into cold, hard cash, you're in the right place. In this full guide for 2025, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned investor, this will make things super straightforward and hassle-free. First things first, why would you want to convert your crypto to cash? It's simple. Maybe you need funds for everyday expenses, or you're taking profits from a bull run. Crypto.com makes this easy and secure, but always remember to stay cautious in the volatile crypto world. Before we dive in, ensure you have a verified Crypto.com account. This means you've completed KYC verification, linked a bank account, and have some crypto in your wallet. If you haven't set this up yet, head to the app or website and get started. It only takes a few minutes. Okay, let's get to the steps. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app on your phone or log in to the website. Make sure you're using the latest version for 2025 updates. Step 2. Navigate to your wallet section. Here, you'll see all your crypto holdings. Select the cryptocurrency you want to convert, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Step 3. Look for the Sell or Convert to Fiat option. Tap on it, and you'll be prompted to choose the amount you want to sell. Double-check the current market price to avoid surprises. Step 4. Select your fiat currency, such as USD or EUR, and choose your linked bank account or payment method for the transfer. Step 5. Review the transaction details, including any fees. Crypto.com typically charges a small percentage, so keep that in mind for 2025 rates. Once you're happy, confirm the sale. After that, the funds should appear in your bank account within 1 to 5 business days, depending on your location and bank. Pro tip: always use two-factor authentication and monitor your account for security. And if you're dealing with taxes, check your local regulations since crypto transactions might have implications. There you have it. Converting crypto to cash on crypto.com is that simple. If you follow these steps, you'll be cashing out in no time. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.